Good morning, my healthy people. It's that time again to step into my kitchen. It's 9 a.m. in Canada and we are going to cook the most important meal of the day. Breakfast. Breakfast. We're gonna break the fasting with the meal. And why is the most important? You probably heard before that your gut is like your second brain and it's very much connected to your main brain. So the first meal, the first food that goes down to your belly brain is going to set up the mood the rest of the day. If you're going to start your day with over easy and a lot of bacon, or eggs benedicts with so much hollandaise on top, what about omelette with extra cheese? Then definitely you're going to end up eating fast food before lunch. So today I'm going to show you a healthier version. We're going to kick out the white bread and we're going to substitute with a grainy, heavy rye bread. And instead of bacon, avocado and some greens. And I guarantee you that instead of McDonald's, you're gonna have some nice quinoa salad with chicken on lunchtime. Very important also is what you eat. It also set up your mood, how you feel, how you concentrate, your perception of world, and you're gonna be happy or you're gonna be upset, you're gonna be energized or you're gonna be sloppy on the couch. So like I said before, the first meal is not only important because it goes into your body and because it sets you a cravings for a whole day, sets you a mood for a whole day. So that meal will set you for success. Alright? Let the cooking begin. Let's start cooking. Let's break those eggs. Let's cook some huevos. No sugar tonight in my coffee because I don't put sugar in my coffee at all. No sugar in my tea and coffee. Sugar's bad. Lesson number 1. A sharp knife in the kitchen brings you just a little bit closer to success. I'm going to start with cutting salsa. I'm going to use tomatoes, cucumbers, red radish and red onions. Let's quarter tomatoes and remove the seeds and the core. Reason for it? The core is bitter. The seeds are bitter and have lots of water. The moment when you introduce seasoning to the salsa, they will release so much water that it's gonna have undesirable look. Same thing we are going to do to the cucumbers. Remove the seeds. Fresh cilantro. If you're not a big fan of cilantro, I recommend fresh oregano or even parsley. Let's throw in some red onions. Red radish. It's a great addition to any salsa. Has great look, nice crunch, and contains a lot of vitamins. I'm going to make a dressing now. Olive oil, lime, and salt. Very basic. Lamb zest contains a lot of great flavor. And it looks great as well. Basic dressing has a ratio 3:1. 3 parts of oil to 1 part of acid. Acid is lemon, vinegar, lime, etc. Let's season gently. The best way to test the seasoning is to use a leaf lettuce. Less of the lime, let's throw into the salsa. Finish seasoning and mix it up. I'm going to add just a half of the dressing and I'm going to save the rest for the arugula salad. Looks great already. Time to fire up the water. Let's put some white vinegar in the water as well. That would prevent water from getting cloudy. And when you introduce the eggs to the hot water without vinegar, the water becomes cloudy and you'll not be able to see anything. Time to crack some huevos. Huevos are eggs in Spanish, FYI. Look at that bread. Lots of grains, lots of seeds, good weight. Time to fire the toaster and finish garnishes. Few thin slices of red radish. And let's julienne green onions. Green onions always goes well with eggs for breakfast, and actually almost with everything. I love red onions. I love green onions. It's green, not red. Look at the avocado. Spin that avocado. Cut avocado lengthwise. Gently, don't cut your hand. Turn it. Boom. Looking good. Came from good family. Hit that bit, twist it, and push it off. Now make a few incisions alongside, slowly, without slicing your fingers. Water is getting hot, eggs are ready. It's time to toast some bread. We're very close to the plating time. I'm going to dress arugula salad now. Looking nice and green, so fresh, so healthy. The garnishes are ready. I'm going to season avocado gently, just a little salt and pepper. Cut them in half. And use a spoon to remove it from the skin. Bread is nice and toasty. Smells good. Water hot. Need to spin the water and gently pour eggs into the vortex. They will create the Gordon Ramsay mozzarella ball look. Okay, time to plate it up. Place your arugula, your salsa, and avocado on a toast. Isn't that looking beautiful? Eggs supposed to be poached soft. No one likes overcooked eggs. I mean, someone does, but we don't like those people. Place the eggs gently on top of the avocado. The last thing you want is to break the egg right now. Just finish with some garnish on top. And bon appetit! I'm drooling already. If you like what you see, guys, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.